All right. You're watching the Winston cooking and discovery TV on the YouTube platform. We're in my cooking lab. Today I'm doing my fresh chicken omelette. Yes, fresh chicken omelette. So I'm beating the eggs with a fork. Instead of using the hand blender today, I'm using the old-fashioned way. Yes, doing it the old-fashioned way. As before blender was invented, this is what our ancestors did. Use the human blender, your hand. Alright, so all the ingredients are now ready. Chicken is ready, the eggs are whipped, and everything is here, lined up and ready to go into the cooking vessel. So without any further ado, I'm going to get these ready to go on the stove. You're watching the Winston Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to put the egg batter into the cooking vessel here. It's ready for me. It's not very lever, apparently it seems. The stove is not level. Alright. I'm going to cover this for a few minutes. Alright, my friends, I'm going to start adding all the various ingredients. I'm going to start with the tomatoes. Alright, so this is a chicken egg omelette. Alright. My hands are clean, so I'm going to use my hands. I'm going to put the chicken in to make sure they're even throughout. Chicken smells wonderful. Everything here is smelling awesome. And I know it's going to taste delicious. I know it's going to taste so good. So good. Alright. So this is my, I'm going to turn this down low. Bacon. These are turkey bacons. Cheese, my Gouda cheese. final, some bell peppers. Alright, so this is my chicken omelet. Alright, my friends, that's what it looks like. That is the chicken omelet. Yes, freshly made chicken omelet with lots of delicious, tasty ingredients in it. So now it's ready. I'm going to turn the stove off. Yes, so I'm going to leave it in the pot. I'm just going to cut a slice out and put it on my plate. And that will be for my breakfast. Yes, for my breakfast. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So you're in my cooking lab. So that is a freshly made chicken omelet here today with lots of nice, delicious, tasty, delightful ingredients. Chicken, turkey bacon, yes, onions, yes, and bell peppers, yum yum, and cheese, of course. Now I'm going to put some black pepper on the top of it just to top it off. Alright, I'm just going to sprinkle some black pepper over the top of it. Alright. Not too much. Alright, there you go. Alright. That's it, my friends. So it's done. It's ready. So I'm just going to cut out a slice, and that will be for my breakfast. Yes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is my freshly made chicken omelet, Winston Gel style. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the view, and I'm going to enjoy the scrumptiously delightful, delicious taste of this nicely, wonderful made, yes, chicken omelet here today in my cooking lab. Thank you. See you on another wonderful, awesome cooking adventure. Take care. That's the chicken omelet. Remove the slice from the pot. There we go. There we go, my friends. That is, yes, that is freshly made chicken omelet. It is looking wonderful, and it smells fantastically delightful. So I can imagine the taste is going to be yummy, 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 delightfully tasty. Delicious.